Hello.
Hello,
Hey.
you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so
So
once
I need to sign in into a place. I can, right? With my Zoom. I wanted to sign in from my phone because I don't have a camera and headphones on my computer,
uh,
as well as
okay, so can you join in the Zoom with your computer also?
yeah, I'm trying to do that.
Okay, no problem. No hurry, take your time.
But it signed me out
No,
through the
you are join it with your mobile also with your computer.
Okay, here we go. Now we
Okay,
have it.
now you can share your computer screen. Yeah, there have option to share screen.
Yes. Let's share. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Let me hide this. Okay, here we go. I don't think you see it. There was a bar here I could message. Can you message me so it pops up on my screen?
Yes, I sent it.
I still don't see it anywhere. Um,
1 second, you can. I think now you can.
it seems like I'm not doing anything on my page, but I have the Zoom open and I'm looking for that like little bar that you. I can't see anything like that.
You will find it to end project option.
Okay.
There will have an option three dot dot to close this contract.
Oh, end contract.
Yeah.
Are you sure you want to end this contract? You will.
Yes,
Before.
because if I keep it on open, then others people thinks that I'm working a lot of project, and they will not will be interested to hire me for a single type work. So that's why in the one-time project I always like to close contract, then open new contract when you hire me for the next time, second time, or third time. Basically, it's good for my profile, nothing more else or anything. I hope you
Okay.
understand.
So I'm just giving you a share your experience. Okay. I'm just gonna share some. What do you want me to say?
Okay, share your
Okay.